Welcome back to another video with WhiteDragon2000 here, also known as Blake. And today, I'm going to be making a pure playing video, and excuse all the noise. My brother is playing a game. My other brother's over here, and his sister's playing a game called Monopoly, and this one's Never Survives. Yes, I'm making another video. Leave me alone, man. So, the first one I'm going to make is a glider. It actually flies pretty well when it wants to, and when it doesn't want to, it flies like crap. So bear with me here, and it's gonna turn black for a little bit because I need to cut the paper.
You have a whole bunch of money.
This is your RCTV map of Redview County. Here you'll be able to see other cops, track racers, and see the events.
Alright, so you need a regular size notebook paper, rectangle, everything. Alright, so the first thing you're gonna do. Dang it, I don't know how to do that. First thing you're gonna do.
You're ready for your first patrol. Display on the left is your assignment for today. Complete the objectives in the assignment to complete your training. You can set a route to any destination by pulling up the map or using Easy Drive in the top left of the screen.
Okay, so the first thing you're going to do is you're going to fold the paper. I need to pick it up. Come on, come up. You're going to fold the paper over like this.
Start any event, pull up to the start location and press the button. Your goal in a rapid response is to drive the RCTV route as quickly as possible.
And you should push down when you're creasing it to make the crease more effective. Next, you're going to unfold it. And if you have bent paper like me, you're going to fold it in the bent corners like this. And let me get this down. To make sure it's all lined up, and then you crease it, and you crease up and back. You keep creasing it until it's folded enough. So that's perfect. And yeah, you leave it like this, and you take the other side and do the exact same thing. So when you finish folding both sides, you should have something that looks like this. Next, you fold this piece over like so. And you do the same thing to the other side, so it's going to go black again for a little bit, so I can be able to fold the other side as well.
He will take their speed higher.
Okay, so when you're done folding both sides, you should have something that looks like this, but this is not the end. You still have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 more folds to go. Next, you can make this any part that you want, but this is mainly the part that helps it glide. You fold this piece over like so. You fold this anyhow you want. Fold it over like that, anyhow you want. I just like to fold it like this because it makes it glide just a tad bit better. And it's going to go black for a little bit more, so I can put the fold the other side as well.
Hey, Noah. Noah. Don't fucking listen. Don't hit me.
So when you're done folding the other side, you should have something that looks a little bit like this. And here's a tip. To make it fly better, you have to have both of these, like both the gliding flaps, at the exact same length, width, height. You have the exact same everything, or it will not fly right, and you have one crappy freaking plane. So she has something that looks like a little bit like this, and then when you got this, you take it and you fold over to the side like this. Give me just 1 second. It's gonna be black again. Alright, so you should have something that looks like this when you're done folding it in half again. Then you're going to take it and then you're going to fold it down like this. And then make sure you just have a little bit of space at the top like that. And you crease it all the way across and then back again. Keep on creasing it until it's flat. And you flip it over and you do the same thing to this side. Hey! Stop that! It's just food! You had to fight over it, you dumb dogs! And you do the same thing to this side. And you have to keep these pieces in the middle or it will not work right. So it has to be like this. So you have to fold that piece in like this. And these both had to be exactly these both had to be exactly the same or it will not work right. And you had to make the wings the exact same width, height, just like the glider wings. So when you're done doing that, you should have something that looks a lot like this. Then when you're done, you pick it up, you hold it about right here, like right at the front of the glider pieces, and you take it, and you can toss it hard or gentle, however you want, and you toss it. Should fly a little bit like that. Perfect toss.
Alright, boy.
You see how great that was?
You're right.
That was amazing.
Fish.
And you can also upgrade it, like fold the glider pieces, fold the back of the wing, fold the entire wings in half if you wish. But it should fly just fine. It works better if if you throw it in wind. It works a lot better if you throw it in wind, or if you throw it gentle inside. Watch, my little brother, yoink. And dang! And it usually lands on its top most of the time. It's because you're not holding it right now. You're supposed to hold it right in front of the glider pieces. Bones! Oh, I hit Bones!
Bones got right.
Okay, everybody, this is enough for my alright, everybody. This is White Dragon 24, not 24, White Dragon 20,000 signing off. Adios, amigos.